and a very warm welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. You're watching First Break. My name is Amita Vadwa. Let's get started with the top headlines this Saturday morning. Well, after the showdown in Parliament over Constitution, Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is all set to speak in Parliament today. All eyes will be on the Lok Sabha as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to reply to the two-day debate on Constitution in Lok Sabha. Politics over Allu Arjun's arrest as Revant Reddy government faces criticism, charges from the BJP. As the Congress leaders defend the arrest of actor Allu Arjun, says nothing wrong with the arrest. Farmer groups have decided to resume the Delhi Chalo March as a group of 101 farmers will be marching towards the national capital from Punjab, Haryana, Shambhu border. Let's first begin with the updates that now we are picking up, especially coming in from a time when the actor Allu Arjun was placed under arrest and thereafter was granted interim relief by the High Court there. But let's get you with the updated visuals that are now coming in of this morning when 9 days after 35-year-old mother of two was killed in a stampede outside the Sandhya Theatre screening where Pushpa 2 was released in Hyderabad. Telangana police swooped in to arrest the actor himself, Allu Arjun, who was present at that fateful premiere. Now, the superstar who was arrested from his residence in such a rush that he did not get even a chance to change his clothes was slapped also with culpable homicide charge, among others. However, when it comes to the latest updates that are now coming in, let's break that down for our viewers. What we are getting to know that actor Allu Arjun, after spending the night in jail, has now walked out of jail. He is now been released from jail, despite when it comes to the interim relief that has been granted by court yesterday. He's been now escorted from the back gate by the police while the media was standing at the main gate. These are the updates that are now coming in this morning of the actor Allu Arjun, who is now being released. He's been taken out from the back gate by the police while the media was present outside the main gate. Let's get in a word from Somit, who's tracking all of those pictures coming in from the prison there. So, Somit, of course, dramatic pictures early this morning coming in. He had to spend the night in jail despite getting the interim order relief from the court itself. What has happened in the sequence of events, if you can tell us this morning?
Well, Amita, good morning. We are right now reporting from the Chanchalguda jail. This is the central prison, and normally whenever VIP, persons get arrested, they will be escorted to this jail. And this is the main gate right now we are reporting from. And meanwhile, at around 6:30, his father, Allu Arvind, has arrived here at the jail premises. And around 6:15 or something like that, around 6:45, 6:50, the police, because police stated that the media was at the main gate. The police asked, and also including the jail officials asked Allu Arjun and also his father to leave from the back gate, and police escorted them from the back gate. And his counsel Ashok Reddy has come here, and he has spoken to the media, and he said that Allu Arjun has been released, and he has officially stated that, and even jail officials, jail sources have also confirmed us that he has been released. So he will be reaching his residence shortly, and also our teams are reporting from there, and whenever he reaches his residence, we will be getting to know, because even yesterday support for Allu Arjun was seen snowballing from the political leaders, from the cine personalities, including yesterday at his residence Director Sukumar, Director Trivikram, Chiranjeevi, and also Rana Daggubati. They were all seen at his residence. And when it comes to the political leaders, almost all parties in both the Telugu states, they have they have came in support of Allu Arjun, including the BJP, BRS, the TDP, YSRCP, and even national leaders, the union ministers, Ashwini Vaishnav, Bandi Sanjay, Kishan Reddy, all of them attacked the Congress party, for this arrest. And they said that this is unruly behavior, and, treating Allu Arjun as a normal criminal is, very atrocious, is what even, the opposition leaders have stated. And when it comes to the even YSRCP and also former Chief Minister.
Political aspect of it, Somit, but what exactly led to the delay upon his release? Because the interim relief was granted to the actor yesterday only. So what amounted to the delay?
See, by 5:30, something like that, around 5:30, already interim bail was given, and High Court has given this order. And 4 weeks interim bail was given, and High Court has used its powers actually in the quash petition. After few cases like about Shah Rukh Khan and other cases were mentioned by the counsel, Niranjan Reddy. In the High Court, finally prosecution couldn't prove their point, and even High Court has come down heavily on the prosecution, stating that how can liberty can be taken away from the person just because he's an actor. And also they have stated that life of liberty is there, and actor can go there, can go to any theatres, and if there was any information to the police, or if at all it was expected that any chaos-like situation might erupt, then police would have given the notices. If police have given the notices, then please do show us the notice copy as well, is what the High Court has questioned. However, after that, like I said, the prosecution couldn't prove their point, and finally counsel said that Allu Arjun is the senior personality, and also they have submitted the requisition copy for the bandobast, and however bandobast was not provided. There was no mistake from the Allu Arjun side or from the his team side, is what they have mentioned. However, the High Court has agreed with the counsel and has immediately given 4 weeks interim bail, and after that they reached to this jail premises at around 7 o'clock.
Saying there, Somit, because weren't they aware that the actor would be present for the screening of the movie with his staff, with his unit?
Well, Amita, I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat the question?
I'm asking what is the police's version here? Because on the night when the screening was happening outside the Sandhya Theatre, wasn't the police aware that the actor would himself be present there?
Well, Amita, yesterday while arguments were on, even in the lower court, Nampally Criminal Court, or in the High Court, the police version was clear, because on the behalf of police, public prosecutor at the Nampally Court and additional advocate general at the High Court, they were arguing, and with the counsel. However, the public prosecutor has stated that police didn't know about this incident. Allu Arjun is equally responsible because he knew about the consequences when he goes somewhere. So Allu Arjun is equally responsible, and action has been initiated on all the accused. So action should be initiated on Allu Arjun and his team as well, because his team Santosh has also been arrested. Santosh is his security in charge and also bouncers manager. So even he has been arrested as an accused person. So this was the prosecutor's point. And when it comes to the High Court, even the prosecution has pressed for 14 days judicial custody, and they stated that already the remand process has begun at the lower court, so this quash petition can be heard on Monday. So that the clear intention of the police was that sending Allu Arjun to jail and making him equally responsible, along with the the Sandhya Theatre management, also the security in charge. At the same time, after that, around 7 p.m., the council has reached here. Okay. But yes, they didn't bring the physical copy along with them. And the jail officials stated that you need to bring the physical copy. After they brought the physical copy, there was no stamp on it.
To Allu Arjun, despite getting interim breather from the court, there had to spend the night in jail. Now, today morning, he's been released. Of course, the pictures haven't come in yet, as he's been taken out from the prison premises, from the back gate. But shortly, he's expected to reach his residence, and we'll be getting you the live updates from there. Thank you very much for the moment, Somit, for joining in. But as we continue to get you more details on the story, it just took about 5 hours since the arrest of Allu Arjun's team to convince the Telangana High Court that the star was being denied with his liberty, his rights, and was being unfairly targeted by the police. In order to get legal respite, the High Court observed that he cannot be held just like this because he's an actor. BJP MP and a distant relative of Allu Arjun, KV Reddy, in fact alleges a political conspiracy.
I truly hope there's no political angle to this. I hope Telangana doesn't go back to that stage. I hope he had nothing to do with it.
Now, even when it comes to politics that has been raging over the arrest of Allu Arjun, as far as whether, in fact, even if it was a requirement for justice, because even the husband of the deceased victim, Revati, said that he is willing to withdraw the case against the actor, who he acknowledged that Allu Arjun has no direct role to play in what happened to his wife and to his son. Telangana Chief Minister, who is also the Home Minister of the state and therefore in charge of the law and order, however, refused to interfere in the matter. So like we are getting those pictures this morning as far as the actor now arriving at his residence. This is important as far as the pictures that have been coming in. Of course, this is from the back gate that the pictures are coming in from the jail at the moment, that very time that he was released this morning, despite an apparent delay when it comes to his release is concerned, because the court had granted him interim relief last evening only, and despite that we are looking at he had to spend the night in jail in the Stampede case, and this morning that he has been released, he's come out of the prison complex, but the way that was given by the police was from the back gate of the prison and to avoid the front gate, as there was a lot of media presence that was there. However, when it comes to the court saying that it was unfair to hold the actor to account for the Stampede, when the film distributors apparently had intimated the police about his presence at the premiere, but however, when it comes to a lot of protests by the fans outside, it is now been said that to avoid any other situation, Somit, what is being said that the actor has now been taken from the back door of the jail, and the pictures that are now coming in as we are playing them out on our screens, first playing on Times Now with the actor being released and he is on his way to his home.
Yes, we have got the exclusive pictures of Allu Arjun leaving the Central Goda prison. So this is at the main gate actually. So this is normally police escort the criminals from here who are convicted or who are sentenced or awarded the judicial custody. So this is normally the way, and this is the main gate. So there is also the another gate. Normally that gate is used only for the officials. So for the DG, for the superintendent, and also for the IG. Officials who will be entering from that gate. So basically, because this is the VIP case, the police and also the jail officials have asked Allu Arvind, because Allu Arvind and also Allu Arjun's father-in-law. So Allu Arjun's father and also father-in-law, both of them entered from this gate, and we were there reporting from this spot, and everyone thought that they will be coming from this gate. However, because police asked them to leave from the the back gate. Even the escort can be seen in the videos we are putting out for our viewers. Even we can clearly see here he was sitting in the BMW car, and there can be seen a escort in the beginning and also in the last. So from the back gate, he was escorted to his residence, is what we are told.
Somit,
and
even let you go as you're tracking Allu Arjun as he is expected to reach his residence shortly. Let's also, in the meantime, the first pictures that are playing on your channel here on Times Now, just quickly explaining those pictures in that car. Allu Arjun, who is present, taken out from a different gate altogether to avoid a security situation, and of course, a lot of presence of the media that can be also seen at the front gate, and the fans also there who have been present and have been waiting for his release. Let's, in the meantime, talk about when it comes to the legal process that has taken place so far, and of course the politics happening over it.
నా కొడుకు మూవీ చూస్తా అంటే ఆ రోజు సంధ్యా థియేటర్లో మూవీకి తీసుకెళ్ళాను. మూవీ చూస్తా అంటేనే తీసుకెళ్ళాను. అక్కడ అల్లు అర్జున్ వచ్చినందుకు ఆయన తప్పేం లేదు. మేమేమైనా ఉంటే దానికి కేసు విత్డ్రా చేసుకోనికి రెడీ ఉన్నా. అది న్యూస్ కూడా నాకు పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇన్ఫామ్ చేయలేదు అరెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు. నేను ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్లో చూసిన, హాస్పిటల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మొబైల్ చూసిన ఇట్లా అల్లు అర్జున్ అరెస్ట్ అయ్యాడని. అల్లు అర్జున్కి అయితే ఏం సంబంధం లేదు వచ్చినందుకు. ఏమైనా ఉంటే నేను కేసు విత్డ్రా చేసుకోనికే రెడీ ఉన్నాను.
पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ, पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ, पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ, पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ.
All right, so Chief Minister not giving there any answers, not ready as far as when it comes to the arrest of Allu Arjun is concerned, but he's been given interim relief and he's been released from jail.